You guys, these roasted veggie and savory oat bowls are comfort food and good for you. A quick and simple meal idea is exactly what you and I are cooking today. So let's start with the base. I decided to swap out other cooked grains for a cheesy, creamy bowl of oats. If you watch many of the recipes on this channel, you know that I love using oats in my recipes because they're a good source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin B1, magnesium, and phosphorus. This recipe also has half a cup of oats per serving, providing 2 grams of soluble fiber in addition to the fiber in the roasted vegetables. Plus, you're gonna see how easy it comes together. I'm convinced that once you see how delicious this savory oats and veggie bowl looks, you'll be convinced that oats are not just for breakfast. So I have my butternut squash cubed here. I went ahead and saved time by purchasing cubed butternut squash at the grocery store. But you can make this even more convenient by purchasing frozen butternut squash. I like to always have some in my freezer for quick and easy recipes like this one. I'm quartering my Brussels sprouts because I want to be able to scoop bite size of these veggies and some of the oats into every bite. I'm also into roasted red onions, and I know they're gonna balance out the natural sweetness from the squash really well. So I'm just going to give these a real coarse slice. I'm just going to mix my butternut squash with these veggies. I'm gonna season these veggies by drizzling a little olive oil over the top, some salt, and pepper. I'm gonna place these veggies right onto my sheet pan. In the oven they go for 20 to 22 minutes until the veggies are tender and golden. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare my cheesy oats. In this pot, I'm going to melt a little butter over medium heat, and then I'm gonna add my oats. I love using Quaker oats in my recipes because their old-fashioned oat flakes are large and of course they taste delicious. And toasting them a little before cooking brings out an even more delicious nutty taste that I love in my savory recipes. Of course, to cook the oats, we're gonna add some water and bring them to a simmer. Then we turn the heat to low and continue cooking them for 8 to 10 minutes until the oats reach a thick consistency. I also love the versatility of oats because they offer countless possibilities to get the nutrition and taste from the recipes we love every day. Now, all I have to do is season these oats a little bit with salt, pepper, and some shredded cheddar cheese. We're gonna give this a stir, turn off the heat and cover to keep warm while I cook the eggs. In this non-stick pan, I'm gonna cook my eggs over easy. I have 2 pieces of turkey bacon I've previously cooked that I'm going to coarsely chop. You can, of course, leave it out and keep this recipe fully vegetarian. So now that the veggies are ready, we're gonna assemble these bowls. So let's scoop some of the oats at the bottom of our bowl. Top it with the roasted veggies, our egg, and some bacon crumbles. I bet you didn't imagine a recipe with savory oats, but they're also so delicious with the cheese, the roasted veggie, and that egg. Epic. You'll find the recipe for these cheesy oats in the description box right below this video. For more delicious oat recipes, head over to QuakerOats.com.